I'm going to jump into this review session for this Veritasium video about the Black-Scholes-Merton equation. And we'll just get started here.
Hi, Jason. Hope you're ready to dive into an exciting topic. Let's start with Louis Bachelier and his groundbreaking idea of random walks. What do you think were his major contributions to understanding how financial markets behave?
Bachelier applied math to the chaos of the market and treated stock prices like coin flips and connected it to this idea of heat distribution, radiation of probabilities.
Absolutely. It's fascinating how Bachelier used math to tame the chaos of financial markets. You mentioned the coin flipping analogy, right on point for explaining the random walk. But how do you think this connects to the idea of modeling uncertainty in something like an options future payoff?
Yeah, well, it's about predicting the future, right? Bachelier's theory meant perfect predictions. If you know that stock prices move randomly with the normal distribution, you can calculate exact future price distributions. Kind of like how casinos always win. They know the odds perfectly.
You're definitely right that random walks are a powerful way to model price fluctuations, and they form the backbone of financial tools like option pricing. But let's dig into the idea of perfect predictions. Random walks imply we can understand a range of possibilities for future outcomes. Not that we can pinpoint one exact future. It's more like knowing the odds in poker than knowing exactly which card will flip next. So, when you think about stock prices moving randomly, where do you see the limits to what we can predict?
I think I see. So the random walks just give us probabilities, not exact prices. Like saying there's a 30% chance of going above a certain price. Like you've got the Galton board here, and the uncertainty kind of grows over time. And that's why distant options in the future are harder to price, right?
You're spot on, Jason. Random walks give us probabilities, not certainties, and they beautifully capture how uncertainty grows over time. Let's shift our focus now. How do you think the introduction of the Black-Scholes-Merton equation fundamentally transformed financial markets?
Actually, can we talk about dynamic hedging? I was kind of confused by that part. Do you like constantly buy and sell stock in order to stay hedged? And how do you know how much to buy and sell at any given time?
Great questions, Jason. Dynamic hedging does require constant rebalancing, and you're on the right track thinking of it that way. Here's how it works.
Let's jump into a couple other features in the platform. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard here, and you can see for each of these videos that I've pulled in, we can go behind the card and see the information that we've pulled into the tool to support the tutor session. So when we pull in the video information, we're listening to both the audio as well as examining the video scenes and extracting keyframes from them and understanding them. The first pass is breaking the video up into sections, doing some summarization, extracting key learning points, common misconceptions, etc. Then we create a structured model of the key components and concepts in the video. So we produce some learning objectives that are Bloom's taxonomy aligned here, as well as recommended prior knowledge. And then there's scene-by-scene analysis of the video with different scenes here, and for each scene, the learning points and misconceptions. You can easily pull in a video into the platform as well. So here we have this lean startup video that I want to pull in. You just go to add a video, paste the URL, and it goes out and pulls down the video, it's a transcript, and identifies different important scenes and extracts keyframes. And all of that information is used to inform the lesson plan design and the tutor. So this takes a couple minutes to pull one in, so I'll go away for a second and be right back. All right, so now we can come down and look at this video, go into the details that we extracted from it, different sections, the different concepts, prior knowledge, and we can jump into the tutor as well.
Hi, Jason. Let's dive right in. What do you think are the key differences between Ashmoria's lean canvas and the leaner canvas? And can you think of situations where one might be more suitable than the other?
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick tour of our new tool. If you'd like to try it out, please reach out, comment on this post, or go to our landing page to get started.